Are you ready to take the next big step in your academic journey? In this video, we will guide you through the complete registration process for BITSAT 2026 so you can prepare for one of India's most prestigious engineering entrance exams with confidence. Let's get started. BITSAT, Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test, is a computer-based entrance exam that provides admission to three prominent campuses of BITS Pilani in Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad. This 3-hour online test evaluates candidates through 130 multiple choice questions on subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, or biology, English proficiency, and logical reasoning skills. Make sure to mark these important dates for BITSAT 2026. Registration for both sessions will begin on December 15, 2025, and the last date to submit the application form is March 16, 2026. Slot booking will begin in March 2026, and you can also download your admit card at that time. The first exam session will be conducted from April 15 to 17, 2026. Registration for Session 2 will be open from May 20 to May 2, 2026, with the Session 2 exam taking place from May 24 to 26, 2026. Before applying, ensure you meet the following eligibility criteria. You must have passed or be appearing for the 10+2 examination from a recognized board in 2025 or 2026. You need a minimum 75% aggregate in physics, chemistry, and mathematics or biology. Additionally, you must score at least 60% in each subject. PCB candidates can apply only for B.Pharm and environmental engineering programs. To start your BITSAT journey, visit the official portal at www.bitsadmission.com starting December 15, 2025. Click on New Registration and provide your valid email address and active mobile number. Be sure to fill out your personal information, academic qualifications, and contact details accurately. Important tip: use an email and phone number that you check regularly, as this is where all your exam updates and admit card links will be sent. In Step 2, fill out the application form with academic information. Provide marks in physics, chemistry, and mathematics or biology along with your percentage scores. Campus preferences. Choose your preferred campuses, Pilani, Goa, or Hyderabad. One application covers all three locations. Exam session selection. Choose to appear in one or both exam sessions conducted in April to May 2026. Your higher score from both sessions will be considered for admission. In Step 3, you need to upload the following documents: a recent passport-sized photograph, JPG or JPEG, 10 to 100 KB with a clear face. Your scanned signature, JPG or JPEG, 5 to 50 KB signed on white paper. Your Class 10 and Class 12 mark sheets as reference documents. Important tip: ensure all documents are clear and meet the required size specifications. Poor quality uploads may lead to application rejection. The BITSAT 2026 application fee is: male candidates 3,500 rupees for one session and 5,500 rupees for both sessions. Female or transgender candidates 3,000 rupees for one session and 4,500 rupees for both sessions. Accepted payment methods include credit or debit cards, net banking, and UPI payments, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe. Pro tip: save your payment receipt and transaction ID for future reference and any query resolution. Once your application is processed, you will receive an email confirmation. Log into the portal in March 2026 to select your preferred exam date, time, and center. You can then download your admit card from the official portal. Your admit card contains crucial exam details such as test center, date, and time. BITSAT 2026 slot timings. Slot 1, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Slot 2, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. For more queries about the BITSAT exam, visit our page on collegedunia.com. You can find all the details and updates there. The link is in the description box below.